Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to stop story replies on Instagram. Friends, due to any reason if you want to stop story reply on Instagram, then you simply need to press on the profile icon. Now here you need to press on the three lines. Now scroll a little down. Now here you need to press on messages and story replies. Now in messages and story replies, you need to press on story replies. Now here you have three options. By default, the first option is selected, in which everyone can reply to your Instagram story. If you don't want anyone to reply to your Instagram story, then you need to select the third option. By selecting the third option, no one will able to reply to your Instagram stories. But I will prefer the second option, in which people which I follow can reply to my Instagram stories. So friends, from here you can select the option as per your requirement. So friends, like this you can very easily stop story replies on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.